So let's tell everybody what we've been working on for the past few weeks.
The DK Custom Club.
DK Custom Club. What's that? What's that?
DK Custom Club is a club that you can become a member of, and that there are many benefits to. The main benefit is that once you become a member, for the next 12 months, anything that you order from DK Custom Products that is made by DK Custom Products, which is the majority of the parts we sell, is a 10% discount.
Cool.
If you use your Custom Club membership coupon code.
Right. And those coupon codes will be user specific. Like each person gets their own code.
Every member has their own code that they can use year round. Don't have to wait for any mailings or any specials. It's a code that they get for being a member of the Custom Club.
Cool. And they can use that code online, or they can call the order in and we'll apply it manually.
Yep. So Dwayne, you and I went back and forth a lot. We had a lot of discussion on how do you become a member? What are the qualifications to be a member of the DK Custom Club?
Right. And we went back and forth over it, and we didn't want to just pick one thing. Like, if you spend this amount of money, then you're a shoo-in. So what we've decided is, if you place 5 or more orders equaling $600 or more, or $1,000 or more, you're in.
Right. So it could be one order for $1,000, or it can be 5 or more orders where the total of those orders equal out to $600.
Right.
And that's for a 12-month period. So like at the end of January, we ran February through January, and this February is what we're sending out. And then at the end of this month, February, we'll run, what will it be, March through February.
Right.
March 2019 through February 2020. And anybody who's done $1,000 in orders, or even just $600 in orders over 5 orders, will get a welcome package, unless they already are a member, because your membership's good for 1 year.
So they get a coupon code, but then what else do they get?
This first batch of members are charter members. The very first members, there's 79 of them, and the packages are going out tomorrow. And they're getting, let's see, I have a package right here.
Some good stuff in here.
And the package is a microfiber towel, a couple of koozies, keychain, 6 stickers, and a couple of PSI tire gauges, and then a 16 by 16 microfiber towel. The charter members are getting that package. They're also getting a certificate, charter member certificate. This is just a test copy we ran with my name on it, and but the main thing is 10% off.
Oh yeah. If you're waiting to pull that trigger on a discount we may or may not put out in the future.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, recommend that you do. You never know when we'll come out with another announcement like this.
Yeah.
But being a member of the DK Custom Club, we've actually been banging around the idea for over a year now, probably a year and a half.
Yeah.
And we finally came up with something that we think will be significant both for you and for us. It helps us have a real way to say thank you to our loyal customers. In fact, I think on the one of the papers that comes in the package, DK Custom Club member customer loyalty program, and it says explains how to become a member. But it's something that benefits us because it gives us a way to say thank you, and hopefully will keep us at the forefront of people's minds. And of course, it benefits the customer because they have a way to get a 10% discount.
Right.
You know, we have a ton of loyal, good customers who didn't make that particular 12-month cycle.
Right.
But every month is we look back over the last 12 months. Those of you who are loyal, good customers and didn't end up as a charter member, we're not saying that you're not good customers.
By any means,
we're
no.
very thankful, but we had to have some sort of criteria to give away a 10% discount
Right.
for an entire year period of time. And so we had to have that, and we hope that, a lot of you, people go through cycles in their purchasing. A lot of you who are loyal customers who didn't make it in probably will over the next few months.
Right.
We sincerely appreciate each and every customer, even a customer who over the last 5 years has only bought from us one time for $82.
Right.
We appreciate them. We give them just the same service as anybody else.
Exactly.
And with the DK Custom Club, we're hoping that that guy who's only purchased $82 maybe will purchase more and end up becoming a Custom Club member, and then be able to get the 10% discount on everything. There's a whole other benefit to being a club member we haven't talked about. Okay, so not only do you get your certificate, your thank you letter, your merch package with the various different gifts, your 10% discount code that you can use for a whole year, but we're going to periodically be doing mailings, possibly even videos that are only for, definitely sneak peeks, and special mailings for the club members. And so if there's a sneak peek at something coming up, like we always have different products in development. We have one in development right now that we've been working on for months and months, and it's been all I could do to not talk about it on the forums because it's an exciting new product.
Yeah.
But I think that the Custom Club members are going to get a sneak peek at that.
Right.
Maybe even in video form or an email or whatever. But there'll definitely be emails and such going out.
So what made you decide to start this DK Custom Club membership program?
Well, it's really pretty simple. We want to thank the people who have been good, loyal customers to us. And we want people, when they are looking to upgrade or modify their bike, we want them to think about us first.